In this video, we are going to learn how to texture paint in Blender. First, open your model in Blender and just press Tab key on your keyboard to go into edit mode. Select your model and press A to select all of your model. And once you have done that, just go to UV editing. And once you are in the UV editing, you can just go ahead and press U key on your keyboard and you can use Smart UV project. So just click on it and just set the island margin to around 0.05 and hit enter and just click on unwrap and you will see the UV will be successfully unwrapped. And once you have done your UV unwrapping, you can just go to the texture paint. So just go to the texture paint and now you will see a pinkish color by default. It is because there is no material yet. So now when I try to paint it, you will see it is saying missing material, texture or linked detected. Now we are just gonna go ahead and add a material. Let's go to the material tab and just click on the plus icon for add a new material, and you can set your base color, but it won't be visible because it is not yet in the preview mode. You can just press Z on your keyboard and go to material preview like so. And once you have done that, let's add some textures to it. So just go to the texture slot at the top, and if you don't see the texture slot, just press tab key on your keyboard and it should be visible like so. And just click on plus icon for texture and select the base color option. From here, you can set your height and width. I'm just gonna go with 2048 for both height and width, and you can toggle off alpha as this is not needed, and just choose your base color. And as I'm painting a mushroom, I'm just gonna go with a brownish color. So after choosing my color, I'll just click on add and you will see a brown color will be successfully added to our mushroom. Now we're just gonna go ahead and color on our texture. Now you can just go to the upper section and choose your color, and as this is a mushroom, I'm gonna make it a green mushroom. So I'm just gonna choose a green color like so. And once I have done that, I can just go to the tool at the right hand side and set the size for my brush. So I'm just gonna make it small, and you can even adjust the strength, or you can just right click on it and set the size and strength also. And once I have done that, I'll just click off and start applying the colors. So as I'm making a green mushroom, I'll just paint green like so, and the color will be applied. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the painting, and if you make any mistakes like this, you can just press Ctrl Z and undo the mistake. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this first. And as in my case, this is just for tutorial purpose. I'll just show you a rough preview and I'll just add some white spots for the mushroom. You can also decrease the size of the brush if the spots are too big. Take your time here, and as this is just for tutorial purpose, I'm just demonstrating it, but you can go ahead and take your time. And as you can see, our simple mushroom is now ready. We can also add some smiley faces so that now it is one happy mushroom. And that's it. You have just textured your first model in Blender. No complex UV or technical setup required. With this workflow, you can start painting immediately and colorful detailed models. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.